Hey everybody, Photoman back with another video. Thanks for tuning in again for another video. And to all the new subscribers, thanks for finding my channel and subscribing to it. And feel free to drop me some comments on other places that you'd like me to cover. But for this one, nestled in river valleys and beautiful hills, the hamlet of Meeting Creek is a former railway town, now home to a handful of families. In 1903, when the post office opened, the community was called Edensville, but by 1912 it was decided to call the community a more traditional name. The name Meeting Creek is attributed to the fact that during buffalo hunts, the nearby creek was once a meeting place for the Cree to the north and the Blackfoot-speaking people to the south. At its height, the community had a department store, grocery store, hotel, lumberyard, cafe, feed barn, blacksmith shop, 3 grain elevators, a pool room, and a barber shop. So it was a pretty busy place. It is home to a wonderfully preserved railway station and museum, which was built in 1913. The station sits beside a classic Alberta Pacific grain elevator, which is a classic example of a wood-cribbed prairie elevator. This specific elevator served the farming community in the area until 1984. Both the station and the elevator are designated provincial historic resources. And both of them are open to public guided tours, which would be really cool. The elevator with the name Payne on the side of it is an ex-Alberta wheat pool elevator.